Hi there, my name is Lulu O'Connor and I'm the founder and CEO of Clothes Doctor. Clothes Doctor is a really easy and convenient online clothing repairs and alterations company. We are based in Cornwall, which is my home county, so I grew up down here, and when I was thinking about where to set up the business, I looked at a number of different areas and I did my maths and I realised that I just couldn't get the space that you can in Cornwall in somewhere like London. And obviously we're a nationwide offer. We ship anywhere across the UK, but we don't actually need to be right next door to our customers. That's the benefit of our business model, if you like. So we were able to operate, at a distance. People send us their items for repair and alteration, and we send it back. And actually, we have space for a really big workshop. We have lots of equipment. We have everything that we need down here, and it doesn't actually take any more time to get to and from our customers than it would if we were based just outside London. So I thought it made a lot of sense. And we have a workshop here with 4 seamstresses and an office manager. Ultimately, what we're really trying to achieve is to help people who really love their clothes and they have things in their wardrobe that are really beautiful, and they've worn them a few times and they've got a hole in, or they're slightly the wrong fit, and we want to bring those clothes back to life. And so really, ultimately, we're trying to help our customers. But it's worth bearing in mind that obviously there is a very important sustainability angle here. And if you think that this stat, we always use this stat, but that the average Briton has 5 items in their wardrobe in need of repair or alteration. And when I heard that stat for the first time, that really got me thinking, why is it that people don't repair and alter their clothes? Why do they have so many things in their wardrobe that don't fit, or have holes, or whatever it is? And I think there are a few reasons. It's the hassle of doing it. People don't have time. People are worried that it'll be really expensive to do. People don't know if it can be done. And so our business model is really trying to address all those factors, making things really easy, really convenient, making it very price transparent, making sure that the quality is really good. We're always exploring new ways to mend things to a really, really high quality. And also I think there's an important trust element as well. So people get nervous about handing over things that they love to a stranger, and they don't know if they're going to love them and take care of them as much as they do themselves. And that's something that we feel really strongly about. So our customer service really revolves around communicating with the customer the whole way, making sure that they know what's happening before we start the repair, while we're doing the repair, and when we've finished. So it's sort of trying to use, I suppose, market forces, create a model that makes people want to repair and alter their clothes, and therefore hopefully increase that average life cycle of garments in people's wardrobes. So we're really excited to be attending the Future Focus Wear It Well event in May. And particularly, I thought, when I saw the lineup, I saw the speakers and I saw the focus of the event, I thought it sounded really, really sort of interesting and really sort of hit our niche of what we're trying to achieve. And in particular, one of our big things at the moment is to try and get more involved with retailers, and especially at the point, I think, where customers might come back to the retailer after they've purchased an item with a problem, with a zip that's broken or a button that's missing. And I think what's really interesting now is that a lot of retailers will just replace that item and then they'll get rid of the old item. And what we're really trying to achieve, and we're trying to talk to a lot of retailers and really get to know them and understand them, is how can we change that mentality? How can we actually help them to repair the items that come back to them, rather than just throwing it away and giving them something new, and in that way reduce waste. So when I saw this event, I thought that sounds perfect. We can go and meet a load of retailers and actually try and understand what they need in order to make that change in their business model as well.